No, we are not depressed that we are not Swedish because almost all Finnish people hate Swedish people. I don't know why, but we don't like each other. I haven't dated any Swedish man, so I can't know.
Mä en usko kukaan. Toi on vähän riippuu, ei toi näe, voi ei.
Oikeasti mikä tää valoasia on?
Niin. You don't like Sweden. Impossible.
Hi. Yes, I'm Jade. What's up? She's Rebecca.
Rebecca, yes.
With 2 C's.
Subscribe to Beauty Boy.
Rebecca, no, not with K. C. 2 of them.
Hirveä kun pitäisi yrittää kaikilla.
R-A-B-A-C-C-A.
Miksi täällä on jotain tuulivitu? Että osaa kuunnella.
Häh?
Että olet kuunnellut tuulia mun kännykällä.
Joo. Yeah. You typed her name right.
Ooh.
Yeah, I know Paris. I've been there. I've been in Paris. It's nice and crowded.
I've never been there.
And there's so many people. Like, oh my gosh. See your legs. Here's my leg. Here's Rebecca's leg. Laying down. Yeah, I'm going there to riot.
Back at it again. Remember when J.K. Rowling went out and said, Hermione, she can be black, it's canon, totally. White skin was never specified. I am such a person.
Nice.
I invite you. No, thank you.
J.K. Rowling has already been made fun of with it.
Leave there. Leave.
Toby had a 10-inch cock. Remember that, everyone? Well, she went
She
out
lives
and
there.
J.K. Rowling said that Dumbledore
Thanks.